welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, full disclosure, I think I'm going to black out. Holy crap. Yeah. It's hot, nasty, humid, the air is very thick. I am like not doing well. I can't summer in the Midwest, but I have to because I can't afford to get out. But yeah, just know I apologize if I like fall off the chair. It's because it's like so hot and I'm just like, I'm like seeing things and like not good, but let's try and get this video done. Yeah, we are reaching summer temps, like hot, nasty, dangerous heat here. It's gonna be almost 100 degrees tomorrow. I don't know what the high is for today, but it feels about 100 degrees in my house right now. So anyway, welcome. How are you? Hopefully much cooler than me. Today's video is gonna be the Blend Bounding Cosmetics Machina palette. This palette is absolutely beautiful. It's one that I wanted to pick up, and here's, just look at this. How freaking beautiful is that? Just really beautiful. I wanted to pick this up for a while, but just due to some financial stuff, I couldn't really pick it up. And then they announced that I think this palette it's being marked down. They have a lot of new things coming, and I don't know that this palette is gonna be around much longer, so I did pick it up. So if you do want to pick it up, it is on sale now. I think it was 20 bucks. So, but I don't know how many of them they have left. So if you want to pick this up, jump on this, and I apologize if by the time this goes up, it is sold out. But yeah, it's beautiful palette. I know like one eye is gonna be like bluish, and then the other one, I don't know, like these greens are getting me, but also this like red pink row, or this like darker purple, or this lighter like raspberry row. It's all so pretty. But let me just get started. Let me keep myself together, hopefully long enough to not fall out of this chair because I'm not feeling great right now. Okay, I'm gonna start with the lighter shade. Man, I can't see you guys. It's AI right here, that blue shade. And I apologize for the hot mess that my makeup is going to be by the time I get done. It is just hot and brutal. But yeah, I just kind of want to do these looks kind of quick because it is so hot. I can't have fans on when I'm filming. Like, oh, it's not cool. Not cool at all. And with the lights, the bright lights when I film, it makes it that much hotter. It's gonna be a wild video, you guys. Yeah, it's hot. I'm debating if I want to tell you guys my funny story now or if I want to wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a really hard day for me, but I'm also just not feeling up to anything much today because it's so hot. I've just got a migraine going. Next I'm going with the shade, which is called Circuit. But yeah, when I say like I can't do the heat, like I really can't. I have a massive heat intolerance and I get sick quickly. And in my office, I work with a bunch of older people who are like, oh my God, it's so cold anytime they turn the air on. So there's so many days where I come home and I am like sick because they like complain, want them to turn the air off. It's so hot. Like, oh, I hate the summertime. Hate it. All right. That is really pretty. It's just, those two shades just are going together so well. Whew, okay. Yeah, my vision is not good right now. I don't know if it's because I'm so hot or did I somehow get something in my eyes or is it just all the crap in the air? I just don't know. I'm going with that glitter glue. I choose the NYX glitter primer. So how are you guys doing? How's life? Is there anything new? Is there any products you've tried lately that you absolutely love? Any like upcoming releases that you're excited about? Speaking of Blend Bunny, I think they've been teasing a new collection coming, or a new palette or something. There's newness coming. I don't know that they've officially released it yet, or if they have, maybe I didn't see it, but they've been given their like sneak peeks and they changed the logo, so I'm like really excited to see what they come out with next. Now I'm gonna go with the shade Cyborg, which is right here. I can hear my husband talking on the phone to somebody. I'm just hoping like my camera doesn't pick it up, because that'd be kind of awkward and weird. I'm like getting ready to drop everything. Oh, holy crap, this is pretty. This is beautiful. Yes, please, thank you. Okay, that is what my life needed right now. This shade is phenomenal. It's like the most beautiful, like, just picture like the ocean glowing at night, and that's like what this shade is. It's like, it's so pretty. Just absolutely freaking beautiful. And again, I just kind of wanted to do something simple because it is really, really hot, and I'm just not feeling too fantastic right now. I just kind of want to, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I don't even know, what did I must have accidentally stuck my finger in one of the pink shades and I didn't even know it, so just ignore that. Oh my gosh, this is just so pretty. This is just, oh man, that is freaking gorgeous, you guys. Okay. I know I'm not usually one to follow like the rows and stuff. I usually like mix and match everything, and it gets a little crazy, but again, I just wanted to do something quick and simple, and this is like really, really pretty. So I'm here for it. Now I'm gonna take the shade, of course, it's called Motherboard. There are certain words that just make me laugh, and I don't know why. Well, I don't know. Motherboard is one of those words. It makes me laugh. Like, if you start talking about computers or whatever, it's just, and you're gonna say motherboard, I'm gonna laugh. Like, it's just one of those funny words to me. I can't help it. It makes me laugh. Okay. Did not realize this palette was gonna like make me laugh, but I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Okay, so for the lower inner corner highlight, I know we've totally been sticking to this row, but I kind of just want to add like a little touch of something different. So I'm thinking this green shade Sci-Fi right here would look really, really cool. So that's what I'm going to do for the lower inner corner highlight, because it just looks really, really pretty. And it looks really, really cool with that dark blue too. Very, very pretty. All right, you guys. So, yeah. One eye down. Let's get started on the other one. I'm like red or green, red or green. But I like the pink too. You guys, this is so hard. Dang it. They're all so pretty. You know what? Let's do the pink row. Let's just go with it. Let's do it. So we'll start with the shade Attract, which is right here. All right, that is very, very light. Very light. Kind of blending in with my skin tone, I guess. It's very hard to see, or at least I'm struggling to see it. But it is a lighter shade, and that's kind of just an easier way for me to do my look, so I kind of wanted to start with the lighter shade. Now, we're gonna go with the shade Enamored, which is this shade right here. These are just really, really beautiful shades, you guys. Oh, my head is just absolutely killing me. Oh man, this is pretty. This pink raspberry shade. Ooh, very, very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, and I forgot, I'm gonna have to do my bangs too. Because if you have not watched the crow video, I do have bangs. I know a video just went up today that was pre-bang, but sometimes I just have to film things and they go up out of order. That's okay. All right, now I'm gonna take the glitter glue. Just put that on the eye, on the lid. Oh, you guys, I just feel horrible. Like, heat just absolutely destroys me. Like, it's not good. I just feel like I need to chug like a gallon of water and some Gatorade and literally not do anything for the rest of the day because I'm just feeling that crappy. Now I want the shade Mortality right here. Alright, I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. Alright, so this is very, very, very pretty. Not as bright and vibrant as the blue shade, but it's very, very pretty in its own way. Lots of shimmer, which I love. Just very pretty. Alright. Now, I am like starting to sweat. That is not glow, that is sweat coming through, you guys. My makeup is going to be trashed very soon. Oh crap, I just realized I forgot to put on setting spray. I'm just so out of it. Just not feeling great. Alright, this shade Oxytocin right here is what we're going to use for the lower lash line. Alright. And for that lower inner corner highlight, do I want to go with the purple shade or the orangish shade? Let's do the purple shade. It is Conscious right here. And this is what we're going to use for the lower inner corner highlight. Because it's just a little different. It's really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go do my mascara. Gotta fix the bangs. I need some setting spray. I have to get myself put together and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. Still struggling with the bangs. I'm just getting irked with them. I have a cowlick and it's just driving me up a freaking wall and around the corner. I can't touch them. I need to stop. But yeah, it's just irking me because I have like a whole place where it looks like I don't have hair. I do have hair. It's just because my cowlick, everything is just, it's just irking me. But I did get them trimmed. I think this is a better layer, length, whatever. Sorry, I forgot to turn my phone off. Yeah. Here are the final looks. And I think these are really pretty, very fun. I love how the looks turned out. And before I forget, because you know I am the absolute worst at this, you guys, so I apologize. The lipstick. It is the Moira Lip Goddess lipstick in the shade Angelic. And Here is that lipstick right there. Very, very, very beautiful. This is a very, very balmy formula. So, it does wear off throughout the day. Like, this isn't your matte, not going to go anywhere formula. So just be aware. It's a little drier too than I thought it would be, but also I'm in the Midwest. It is hot, dry, and nasty here right now. But anyway, this is the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Machina palette. Here's the inside of this palette. It is just absolutely beautiful. I'm glad that I did pick it up. Currently, as of today, it is on sale. Pick it up if you want to get it, because I think it unfortunately might be going away for good. That is it, you guys. I am just hot. It is hot. It is hot here. Like, can't even go outside without turning into a sweat ball. Can't breathe. Just horrible. My eyes are just swollen, and just my eyelids, everything. But anyway, yeah. I'm going to be starting my fall countdown soon. I just cannot wait till it's cooler here. But anyway, you guys, just thank you so much for all the love and support that you've shown me. Just remember that you are beautiful. You are amazing. You are loved. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.